Hello again. I'm back with another video, and this one's pretty crazy because I've got it up at a reasonable time from the last one. It's been only like 2 weeks, and yeah, this is just part 2 from my last video. If you haven't seen it, I'll, I guess, put a link down in the description. Forward. Most of the information that I include in this video is taken from the Town of Cary website, so any factual information is from that website, and I'm going to put the link in the description. I will also attach a video of what the property looks like now that it's gone and torn up. I took that while I was in the car, which I know isn't very safe, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, now here's the video. In part 1 of this video, I covered the main house and part of a smaller structure outside of the house. Most of this was built in 1850 with another addition in 1900. In this video, I am going to mostly be covering the smaller building that used to sit outside the house. CaryNC.IQM2.com notes that the building was a mid-19th century outbuilding that was most likely used as a kitchen/wash house, likely dating to the original 1850 home, end quote. The bricks seen on the chimney were hand-molded, and the whole outbuilding is resting on a stone foundation. The website does not state whether anyone decided on preserving the outbuilding or if it was just demolished. This is a book called My Best Friends, written and illustrated. This is a building titled My Best Friends, written and illustrated by an elementary school girl in March 2004. My best friend is Jessica. She is nice to me. She plays with me and she gives me candy. She helps me sometimes with things at school. My other friend is Katie. She helps me a lot too and also gives me candy. We give things to each other because we are such good friends. On the playground, Jessica, Ruby, and I always play together. Our favorite thing to do is play on the monkey bars and take turns. We are all very nice to each other. I love my friends a bunch. The writer of this document states that the current owner/applicant, quote, must Make an effort to sell or donate the kitchen/wash house and the house, together or separately, with a preservation agreement in place. If no one expresses interest in preserving the house or the kitchen/wash house, arrange for the historical, architectural elements of the buildings to be salvaged, which includes the chimney, bricks, floors, mantels, and doors, by a preservation-oriented salvage enterprise for use in other preservation projects. Develop full photographic documentation of the house, kitchen/wash house, and site prior to their removal, including photos of all the exterior sites and walls of the buildings and all interior walls and trim. Capital Area Preservation and town staff would be interested in documenting the deconstruction process to learn more about the construction history of the house, end quote. According to the carync.iqm2.com website, future plan improvements include, quote, road, 3-lane road with a curb and gutter within 70 feet of right-of-way, sidewalks, 5-foot sidewalk on both sides of the road, bicycle lanes, 4-foot bike lanes in both directions, end quote. Currently the road is 2 lanes with no sidewalks or bicycle lanes. There is construction on a neighborhood slightly further down the road, and the house and other buildings in this video have either been removed from the site or demolished. There is also a greenway plan to go through the property. From the website, quote, the 2012 Parks, Recreation, and Cultural Resources Master Plan recommends a future park in the vicinity of the subject property, end quote. There are also going to be new, up-to-date houses on the existing land.